thing we have is a squirrel-proof bird holder. And we're going to set it up and get yourself a bird feeder, put it in the ground, and off we go. We have an assembly instructions. It's plain and simple. They show about 13 different parts, and they give you a little screwdriver. I'm going to use my own to assemble everything. It shouldn't be that hard to do. You have your poles, 6 of them. You have your stakes, 2 of them. You have your hanging things, 4 of them. You have a right angle pole holder and a small little one as well, a pole. So let's get started. Very simple build. I got the single stake that screws into the ground. I got one that goes on like so. I've taken off these stakes so I can work a little bit easier in the room I have. And I'm going to continue to thread. Please make sure that you don't cross thread these. Just take your time, get them on. You have a bolt, a nut. Repeat for each and every hole. No, you're not missing a piece. Simply just bend them. Match up the hole. Carefully place a bolt and a nut. Taking the 2 clamps, placing them onto the 3rd pole. You may have to take off the bolts that they supply and place on longer ones like so. Take both clamps and nuts and bolts, tighten down. Take the cone upside down, slide on, and I'm reinserting my pole. Grab the poles, put them in your hands like so they can line up. You can see which one's the longest, which is the shortest, and simply just slide them on to the pole and repeat for each one. Take your time, they will go on. And there you go. I got my pole. It stands over 6 feet tall. I'm going to place it in the ground, and I'm going to lift up my stakes first. I'm going to twist this in. Drop a stake down. Step in the ground. I'm squirrel proof and I can place on a bird feeder. Open it up and add some bird feeder in. This is a bird pole. It can fit bird feeders, bird houses, plants, whatever you want to put on. Squirrel proof, and get yourself a nice little house, make one up, put one on top, and enjoy your bird feeder house pole. I hope this product may be right for your garden, landscape, front yard, backyard, wherever you want to put one. Enjoy your product if it's right for you.